Hi everyone, welcome to our next video. Here we are with the series of Touchpad and we are going to cover chapter number 4 in our today's video. And chapter number 4 is related to Word. So as the name is also there, editing text in Word 2019. So let's start. We need your continuous support. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, right? So let's move ahead. Here it is just the small activity in which we have to create the letter, right? Or the birthday party letter, we can say. So here it can be, dear friend, you can type the name of your friend, dear friend Ram. I'm celebrating my birthday on, suppose Friday, right? So you can mention any of the day as you wish. I'm celebrating my birthday on Friday. You are invited to attend the party at, so we have to mention the time. Suppose I'm just writing 7 p.m. on, the date is suppose 20 and 6 and 2025, right? At my residence. There will be lots of games and fun times. Looking forward to seeing you, your friend, and then you can type your name over here. So we can make this simple invitation letter in our computer, right? So which application we will be going to use? We can use the application which is most famous, I can say. It is none another than MS Word. So Word is a word processing software, and a word processing software is an application software that help us to type, edit, format the document, letters, poems, reports, and many other things. So let us see the other uses of Word 2019. We can type the letters, we can use it for stories, reports, we can access it quickly and easily. We can present our text beautifully and neatly using different colors, styles, effects, etc. We can add the pictures in our document, in our stories, or in our any of the book. It removes all the errors from the document using a spelling and grammar feature. Right, you heard it correct. Word is having the feature of spelling and grammar, which can correct you when you are spelling it incorrect, right? Or in and it can also check the grammar for the same. To make changes in the text when you are typing or when you are typing any of the text. So you can make any changes, copy, move the text from anywhere in the document or in the new document. We can also save the text for the later use. We can print and complete the document, right? So let us see that what are the components of Word 2019 are. So when we will open Word 2019, the interface will look like this. And here we are having quick access toolbar. It consists of save button, undo button, redo button. Then we are having tabs. Tabs are what? Tabs are the groups of related functions and command. Next is our title bar, which shows the name of our document. Then it is our document area, which is the space which you can use for typing or creating the document. Next is the ribbon, which is again the group of tabs and groups, right? It is made up of tabs and groups. Next is our vertical scroll bar, which we can scroll to move around in our document. Then we are having a status bar. It will be going to show you the page number of pages that are there in the document, number of lines, and the number of words also, right? Next is horizontal scroll bar, so that you can scroll it horizontally. Then we are having our zoom slider bar so that we can enlarge or reduce the size of the document or our window. So let us see that what is selecting a text. So when you are typing your document or something, you can simply use it. And it is really a good thing when you are doing copy paste or something. Correct? So we can select the text with the help of mouse, or we can also press shift key and then arrow key to select the words or the sentence. If you want to select overall all the text that are written in your document, you can simply press Ctrl plus A. Next is editing the text so that we can insert it, update it, delete it, move it, copy it, paste it, right, from one page to another. So first is inserting the text. To insert the text, you can just click anywhere in your document where you want to insert the text and you can type anything that you are liking to type. Next is our copying and pasting the text. Copying and pasting in the sense we will be going to copy the text. That text will be going to remain over there, but it will be having the copy of it so that you can repeat it as many times as you can. So copying the text means selecting text with will remain there only. That means it is in the original position and you can do the pasting it in any of the other location. So to copy the text, you can follow these steps. The first step is you can select the text that you want to copy and then click on Home tab, then click on Copy command, and then click or go to the area where you have to paste it, and then you have to again go on the Paste command. Either you can use the shortcut keys because our shortcut keys makes our task easier. We can simply select the text, press Ctrl plus C, go to the position where you want to paste it, press Ctrl plus V. That's easy. Next is cutting and pasting the text. Both are different. Okay. Copying, we are having the text over there. But when we are doing the cutting, the text will be going to remove from there, or we can say it will be going to disappear. So cutting the text means selecting the text will disappear from the original position. From here, it will be going to disappear, but still you will be having the copy of it so that you can paste it anywhere in your document. So let us see the steps that what are it. Select your text and then go to Home tab, click on the Cut command, go to the area where you have to paste and then click on the Paste command, right? Either you can use the shortcut keys. Again, the shortcut key will be, you can select the text, press Ctrl plus X. X means cut. So obviously Ctrl plus X. Go to the area where you have to paste it and do it Ctrl plus V, right? The difference should be clear in both of these because when you are doing copy and paste, your text will remain there and you will be going to make the copy of the text. But when you are doing cutting and paste, the content from where you are cutting it will be going to disappear and then you will be able to paste because it is having the copy of the text that you have cut. Next is deleting the text. To delete the desired text, line, sentence or word, either we can simply press delete key or we can also press backspace key. Okay. So backspace key will be going to delete the character from the left side and delete will be going to remove the character from the right side. Next is undo and redo. Both are opposites, right? So undo is used to cancel the command, whereas redo is used to reverse the action of undo command. So the shortcut key is also there as both of undo and redo, both of them are also present in the quick access toolbar. So the shortcut key for undo will be Ctrl plus Z and the shortcut key for redo will be Ctrl plus Y. Okay. Suppose you want to delete the text or you want to go one step back, you can simply do undo, which is Ctrl plus Z. But after it, you realize that no, I just wanted the text again. So you can reverse the action of undo, right? It means redo. So if you will again do Ctrl plus Y, it means your text will be back. Next, it's time to save our document. We can also press Ctrl plus S or we can follow these steps. Click on the File tab, click on Save option or Save As option. Select for the location where you want to save like this PC or the drive. And then you just need to type the name of your file and click on Save option. As we have saved our file, now it's time to open. Let's see whether our file is open. So to open, we can simply press the shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus O, so that it will be going to list out the file that we have opened or saved recently. We can also follow this step, which is click on the File tab, and then we have to search for the file which we have created, or we can simply go on the Open option, and then we will look for the location where we have saved our file. We will select our file and then click on Open. Next is the double tap where we are going to rearrange it in the correct order. So the first one is ribbon, right? RIBBON. The second one will be zoom slider, right? Zoom slider. Then the next third one is the title bar. You can use fully capital letter to write it. It is title bar. And the next is file tab. Okay. Now it's time to exit Word. So we will be going to close it. So we can simply click on the close, that is the cross button that is available in our screen. If we have not saved our file, we will be going to shown with this message to save the file or don't save the file. If you want to save, you can save. If you don't want to save, you can don't save. And then you will be getting exit after saving or without saving your file. So we can also use shortcut key over here, which is Alt F4. So to close a document, we can use Alt F4. Now it's time for the exercise. Which of the following is the word processing software? It is Word. Which of the following shows the name of the program and document name? It is title bar, right? Title bar shows at the top of the page window. Which of the following command is used to copy the text in a document? Obviously, to copy, we will be using the copy command, option number B. Which option is selected from the file tab to open the saved document? Don't get confused here. It is saying to open a saved document. So we will be going on the save option. The next fill in the blanks. Dash shows the detail of current document. So definitely it will be going to show in the status bar. Next, a dash is made up of tabs and groups. It is ribbon. Dash are located below the title bar and quick access toolbar. It is saying title bar or quick access toolbar. So where it will be? Quick access toolbar, it means the options that we are having there, correct? So it will be none other than our tabs. To close the file close option is present in the file tab. Now take the correct answer. Vertical scroll bar is used to move up and down in the document, right? Correct? Vertical. So it is true. Shift key is used to delete the text. No, because we use delete key or backspace key. File tab is present in the right corner. No, it is present in the left corner. Cutting the text means selecting the text will disappear from the original position. So it is yes. Here question answers are there that we will be going to do later on. Here it is scratch your brain. Shortcut key we have to write. To close a document, we will be having Alt plus F4. Alt, Alt, it means alternate key, plus F4. To copy the text, we are having Control plus copy, it means C. So Control plus C. To save the document, then again to open the saved document, we will be having Control plus O because we have to open. Find out the names of other word processing software. Okay. So we can use Google Docs. We can also use WPS Office because it is just asking that what are the other application that we can use. So there are a variety of options in the market, but let's try here. Now, application-based question. Sharans is writing a letter to his mother and he added some text by mistake. So he doesn't know how he can undo the text. So which key he should use? So for undo, we are already familiar that the shortcut key is Control plus Z. So you can simply write he can press Control plus S key to do undo. Ritika is working on a document that require her to write a word, sentence or paragraph multiple times. So multiple times, it means we will be going to use the command which is copy. So we can simply write, she can use Control plus C to copy, right? Now it's time to go for the question answer. So here is our first question. What is word processing? What is word processor? So a word processor is an application software that helps to type, edit and format the documents, letters, report, etc. Next question. Write any one use of Word 2019. Word 2019 is used to type letters and reports quickly. What are the three components of Word 2019? So three components of Word 2019 are tabs, status bar, menu bar, title bar, anything. Next, write down the steps to cut and paste the text in a document. So the steps to cut and paste the text in a document are: first of all, we have to select the text and click on the cut command in the home tab. We can go to the required place where we want to paste it and then we can simply click on the paste command. Next, what are the steps to exit or close a document in Word 2019? So the steps to close or exit the document in Word 2019 are: first of all, we have to click on the close button from the title bar. Click on save button to save your document, or we can also press the shortcut key. That is, we can press Alt plus F4 key combination to close the document. Hopefully this video finds you well for solving the exercise, question answer and other things. So thank you so much for watching.